What you're about to watch is a video of me installing 5 centimeter wicks. The client hair is approximately 1 to 1.5 inches long. Thank you.
Probably not, but it's been given to you anyway.
I have decided to cut
it's got to be tied.
the short. Alright. So we're cutting this off. Cutting this off. Okay. I'm about to show you right now. Okay. This is the back. Let me know if you feel any pulling. Yeah, but definitely hand make them. I install them the same way like these wicks.
You was fast.
You think this is fast?
Yeah.
I told you I'm like the slowest loctician in Richmond.
I'm talking about hours just on one.
Yeah, I'm not.
That's why I was scared to get 4 again, because this right here, like sometimes we get thin on me sometimes. I used to ask, I'm like, bro, what?
Too.
I don't like all that meat.
Yeah, that's what I'm here for that.
I like my shit rough, like.
You are where you are today, in part because of what you've been saying about yourself. Words are like seeds. When you speak something out, you give life to what you're saying. If you continue to say it, eventually that can become a reality. Whether you realize it or not, you are prophesying your future. And this is great when we're saying things like, I'm blessed, I'm strong, I will accomplish my dreams, I'm coming out of debt. That's not just being positive, you are prophesying victory, prophesying success, prophesying new levels. Your life will move in the direction of your words. But too many people go around prophesying just the opposite. I never get any good breaks. I'll never get back in shape. Business is slow. I'll probably get laid off. Flu season is here. I always get it. They don't realize they are prophesying defeat. It's just like they're calling in bad breaks, mediocrity, lack. You can't talk defeat and expect to have victory. You can't talk lack, not enough, can't afford it, never get ahead, and expect to have abundance. If you have a poor mouth, you're going to have a poor life. If you don't like what you're seeing, start sowing some different seeds.
So long you been married?
We about to get married.
Okay.
Inshallah.
Okay.
I don't want to do it the court way.
I was saying y'all going to the masjid?
Yeah, I want to do it the Islamic way.
Yeah.
But you know, if you don't do it through American way, then you're not technically married.
Yeah, but yeah, you got to do it that way.
Yeah. So I was trying to figure out how to do it that way, because most of that stuff is Christian based.
Right.
Like, I don't want no preacher and pastor marrying us.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
So the first thing you have to do is you have to become conscious of your unconscious thoughts. You got to notice your automatic habits and behaviors. And you have to become aware of your emotions that keep you anchored to the past. And if you can become so conscious of the unconscious states of mind and body that they would never slip by your conscious awareness again, you're becoming familiar with the old self so you don't return. Then if you begin to think about new ways of being defined by a vision, plan your behaviors, review them in your mind. Now, if you keep doing that over and over again, you begin to become familiar with the new state of mind.
I thought I was gonna go bald, but I got shot in my head, so
your time. Do you know that everybody alive gets exactly the same amount of time? It's what we do with it that makes a difference.
Yeah, I got you, man. I got you. I'm checking. All right. Yes, ma'am.
I can download this app so I can give it to Shay when she comes in for the interview.
Inshallah.
70, 80, 90 years old, you're thinking, man, I feel like I didn't do something. Because you did. You didn't do it. You didn't do shit. You may have lived a great life, man, but you're always gonna feel empty inside. I was honest. Look at yourself, man. Look at yourself. And it was that day I just got real with myself. And every day I came home, I called the accountability mirror. What am I gonna do today to change what I see in this mirror?
Get control. Stop scrolling, stop clicking,
Allahu Akbar. You hear me?
and start living.
And then also I can see how your barber is going to cut it too.
Yeah.
That's also another reason that I would have to see.
I don't care how long that road is. I'm gonna see it through no matter what. Because you know what? I'm living enough years in this hole. I don't want to be here anymore.
A simple truth in life is things are not going to go your way. Things are not going to work out the way you planned. Things are not going to be the way that you wanted them to be.
I would recommend you use the resources you have to create the life you want. And so if the cards that you have dealt right now are anger and fear and disappointment, then you can either wallow in those or you can turn something good out of it. And so...
Listen, the results speak for itself. I don't have to say anything. Nobody want to deal with crazy. Got trembling bones. Then everybody will fear me. I'm the king of the barbarians. Mike's pacing the ring and his shirt off. These big men were scared stiff. I'm not afraid of nobody. Show who the real world champion is, the best fighter in the era. Champion of the world, Mike Tyson. Y'all guys know what I do. Y'all know what I do. I put people in body bags. We know what's gonna happen. I know I already broke his spirit. Still wanna f with me? I'm not scared of these guys. It may be anything that I think that they're scared of. Well, they're scared of someone else. Don't bring the pain.
Did that hurt? Did this hurt? Did this hurt?
The undisputed, the undefeated, heavyweight champion of the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, we in there like G-strings and
Swim
swimwear.
well.
I'm the best ever. There's no one that can match me. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been.